Hello and welcome to the review of my version of More Than Meets the Eye Rewind. Now this is my favourite 3D printed figure ever since I've started 3D modelling, and again I've tried to make it as comically accurate as possible. This is a scaled down version of Rewind, as I wanted to capture the very small appearance that he has in the comic book. Now first and foremost, let's take a look at his accessory, which is his Chromedome plushie. This is a very small toy. As you can see, he falls out of my arm relatively easily, but he does stand. He does have a flat bottom, and when you place him on the table he does sit quite nicely. For size comparisons, here he is next to a Battlemaster, and he is very small. As you can see, he is only up to the Battlemaster's hip. For articulation, Rewind can look left and right. Because of transformation, his midsection does rotate upwards and downwards as well, and this is one of the prouder aspects I have of the figure, is that his chest pattern does line up. Now his shoulders go in and out, and they do a full 360 as well. There is a swivel at the elbow, a bend at the elbow, and a wrist swivel as well. All the joints here hold up very nicely, and they are all very sturdy. Now the thighs attach on a ball joint, and there is a bend at the knee. The knee can go all the way upwards because of transformation, and here he is with his widest stance possible. Like I said, his joints are very sturdy, which is one of the reasons why I like him so much, is as he feels so factory made, and I'm very happy with how he turned out. To transform him, make sure that his head is facing forwards, so his head can fit into the slot at the back. There is a piece at the front that stops his head from rotating outwards, and that locks his head into place. Straighten his arms and fit them against his hip. Now bend his knees all the way upwards, and there are holes at the side of the shin pieces that allows the arms to fit in, to make it look more rectangular and more blocky in alt mode, which is what he is. He is a rectangle in the More Than Meets the Eye comic, and I'm not trying to make it very comic accurate here. I'm just trying to make it a very compact version of More Than Meets the Eye Rewind. Here I am trying to use him as a USB with Tailgate, my next project. And he is still very small in this mode. Here he is in size comparison with his Titan's Return counterpart. This is a Legends class, and he is quite small. Even the Battlemaster rung is taller than this one. To assemble him, it is very easy. His headpiece fits onto his mid-rotation piece with a port. To assemble the arms are the most complicated bit of assembly here, as they are made out of 6 parts on each side. So first, get the shoulder joints left and right, fit that to the port that are attached to the midsection. Grab your upper arm and line this up with the screw holes. These connect with an M2 screw. Now grab your shoulder pads and lay them over the upper arm joints. So you've got 3 pieces connected. Now you're safe to put the M2 screw in and connect them all. Then at the bottom of the upper arm there is a port. Line that up with the arm joints. So is the left arm joint and the right arm joint. And there is another screw hole at the bottom of that piece. Line it up with the elbow, screw it in, and finally for the arms, just twist the fists in as they are connected to ports. To make the middle piece, it is very simple as well, as the middle piece is made out of 3 sections: the head, the mid-rotation piece, and the mid-piece. Line the screw holes up on the rotation piece and the mid-piece. Put your M2 screw through that, and there you have the rotation joint. All you have to do is attach the thigh pieces to the ball joints, line the foot pieces with the thigh pieces, and screw your M2 screws in. there you have More Than Meets the Eye Rewind. Now for size comparison, again, like I said, he is a fairly scaled down version of More Than Meets the Eye Rewind. He is slightly out of scale, but not too noticeable. Here he is with his Legends counterpart in robot mode, and he is holding another Chromedome plushie. This is scaled up 150% to make it bigger to fit him. So he is shorter than Minimus. Here he is with Brainstorm, the figure I use as scale reference for More Than Meets the Eye figures. And here he is with Tailgate, my next project that I'm going to show you. Final words, I am very happy with Rewind and I hope you like him too. Again, the links to download these files are in the description below. I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.